5 home remedies to relieve shoulder blade pain. Pain that occurs between the shoulder blades is quite common. Its causes may range from simple strain to serious conditions like heart or liver problems. Those with a painful shoulder blade usually experience a dull, itching, sore or shooting pain in the upper back between the shoulder blades. However, for those of you who have developed shoulder blade pain due to some kind of physical trauma, there are natural ways to help alleviate the symptoms and relieve the pain. Ice or heat compress. A cold compress can help alleviate pain and swelling due to its analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, whereas a hot compress improves circulation, thereby helping in reducing pain. Apply an ice or heat compress to the affected area, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, remove and repeat twice. Epsom salt bath. The magnesium content of Epsom salt can help relieve shoulder blade pain with its inflammation reducing properties. Fill your tub with water and add a cup of Epsom salt to it. Allow the salt to dissolve and soak in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes. Stretching. Doing a few stretches before and after workouts can help a great deal in avoiding muscle soreness post-exercising, which is one of the many triggers of shoulder blade pain. Ask your physical trainer to suggest stretching exercises to help your muscles become more flexible. Massage therapy. Therapeutic massage therapies can also be of great help in alleviating shoulder blade pain and the inflammation associated with it. While this effect may last for a short time, it is almost immediate. However, be sure to get the massage done by a professional for best results. Kinesiology tape. Taping using kinesiology tapes is aimed at improving or controlling scapular movements for patients who have shoulder problems. Its main function is to provide support to the injured individual while moving around. It can also help with short-term pain management.